Stop by and take a look at the 2021 RAV4. The RAV4 is one of the most fuel-efficient SUVs in its class. Versatile and efficient, RAV4 mixes the comfort and drivability of a sedan with the benefits of an SUV. This highly evolved, well-packaged crossover SUV lets you have it all. This vehicle has less than 35,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: backup camera, lane departure warning, trip computer, electronic stability control, fog lights, clock, tachometer, brake assist. Is love at first sight really possible? Let us know when you stop in.